Hi viewers, welcome to the Grammar Channel. Today we are going to learn about a lesson, a truly beautiful mind. Truly beautiful mind, about the author, about the poet Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a theoretical physicist who published the special and general theories of relativity and contributed to other areas of physics. His work is also known for its influence on the philosophy of science. All about a truly beautiful mind. Albert Einstein is regarded as a visionary. The story tries to show him as a human being, a fairly ordinary person who had his likes and dislikes, his streaks of rebellion, and his problems. Over time, the name Einstein became synonym for genius. We move on to the summary of a truly beautiful mind. Einstein was born on 14th March 1879 in Germany. His mother thought he was a freak and his head was too large. Einstein did not speak until the age of 2.5, and when he did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. He had no interest in playing with other children. He preferred being by himself. However, he loved mechanical toys. Once, the headmaster at a school where Einstein studied told his father that his son would never be successful whatever career he took up. His mother wanted him to learn the violin when he was 6 years old. So he started learning it and later became a gifted amateur violinist. Einstein was not a bad student. He went to high school in Munich and got good marks in almost every subject. But he did not like the school's stiff discipline and left it for good at the age of 15. He wanted to continue his higher education as he had deep interest in mathematics and physics. He joined a university in Zurich because it was more liberal than Munich University. After completing his university education, Einstein badly needed a job. He started his career as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons. Finally, in 1902, he secured a job as a technical expert. Though his job was to assess other people's inventions, yet he worked secretly on his idea on relativity. He published his special theory of relativity in 1905, according to which time and distance are not absolute. This theory established Einstein's fame in the world of science. In 1919, during a solar eclipse, his theory came out to be accurate, which brought a scientific revolution. 2 years later, he received the Nobel Prize for Physics. In 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. He wrote a letter to the American president on 2nd August 1939 to warn him against Germany's building of an atomic bomb. He wrote a letter to the then American president on 2nd August 1939 to warn him against Germany's building of an atomic bomb. He then wrote an open letter to the United Nations proposing the formation of a world government which could stop such destruction by putting an end to the arms buildup. He was a great advocate of peace and democracy. Truly mind, truly beautiful mind is apt since Einstein had a mind which was full of thoughts and innovative ideas about world peace. He was a great person and he advocated world peace, non-violence, and that is why the title refers to him as a truly beautiful mind. It's more appropriate. Hi viewers, the value we learned from this story is that the life and achievements of the famous scientist Einstein gives us the message a truly mind enjoys not only vision but also makes sincere efforts to use this vision for the well being of mankind.